Hello everyone. I will show now the practical part of the auscultation, and first of all I will show you all the practical parts in the stethoscope. So this is the ear tips, this is the binaural, this is the latex free rubber tubing, this is the chest piece, diaphragm and the base and the bell of the stethoscope. This part goes on the chest of the patient and this goes in the ear of the therapist. So first I have got one model over here and I would like to start the auscultation process with the breathe sounds. So first of all I will palpate the manubrial notch for the bronchial breathe sounds. So first of all what I will instruct the patient is મોટું ખોલી અને શ્વાસ લેજે બરાબર છે ઊંડા ઊંડા શ્વાસ શ્વાસ લે છોડો શ્વાસ લે છોડો. So these are the bronchial sounds which are heard on the manubrial process. Now for the bronchiovascular sounds, which will be श्वास छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो. So these are the bronchiovascular sounds which are heard on the bronchial as well as some part of the peripheral side. Now the vesicular sounds, those sounds goes like this. श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो श्वास लो छोड़ो. So these are the bronchiovascular sounds. Now the voice sounds, mainly bronchophony and egophony. For bronchophony, I would like to tell the patient to speak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 9, 9, 9, 9 and I will hear those sounds in the lung, in the patient. તમારે 9, 9, 9 એવી રીતે બોલવાનું.
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
So those are the bronchophony. Now egophony is I will instruct the patient to speak E, and the patient will the voice which will come is A for me. So તમારે A બોલવાનું.
A. A.
બોલ continuous.
A. A.
So those are the egophony sounds. Now the heart sounds, which I will palpate on the left side, auscultate on the left side, and they will go like this. So this is the auscultation process in the human being, and those are the placements of the chest piece of the stethoscope on the patient. Thank you.